Did you know this tiny bird builds one of the most amazing homes in the animal kingdom? This is called a weaver bird, and it builds its nest by weaving grass and leaves together. The most incredible part, it makes perfect knots using only its beak, with no tools at all. The entrance is built at the bottom to protect the babies from snakes and predators. One nest can take many days to complete, and the male bird builds the best nest to impress a female. Nature's engineering is so incredible. Even humans can learn from these tiny architects. Follow for more amazing wildlife facts.